I understand there's some news on the Autotech Connect side of things.
Absolutely, yes.
Can you come show us?
Of course, come over.
News on the stand.
Come see. Okay, so you saw the headsets last time.
Yes.
What we're trying to do is buy time back for our technicians.
Okay.
So simply by talking into a device, whether that be a headset or a tablet, they simply talk into the device and they can complete a form. Would you like to show you?
Yeah, show us.
Yeah, let's do it. Get started. Can you open up the 9-step report, please? Okay, my name's Darren Dowling. Job number is 123. Booking date is today, and the customer's name is Michelle Smith. Darren Dowling. I'm really stuck on understanding the torque settings for the Citroen. Can you show me, please?
Oh, that's smart. So that saves a lot of time, doesn't it?
100%.
Not filling out
mute
forms.
Mute mic. So the idea behind this is instead of you leaving the job and then going over to a workstation to get all that information,
Yep.
you simply ask the device and it will go into a ring-fenced kind of data set and actually give you the information back rather than searching the internet.
Yeah.
It basically
really
goes into, yeah, absolutely. And the form completion, so most technicians will carry out a task and go off and have to write a report. But this gives the ability to simply talk into the device as you're doing the job, and it writes the report out as you're doing it.
Yep.
So when you shut that bonnet down or the car door, the report is submitted and on the desk of an
obviously
administrator.
your hands are free as well.
100%.
So you can just be carrying on doing what you're doing and prepping whilst you're waiting for the information to
The other thing that we're really concentrating on is the send element. So there's a lot of young guys and girls that won't join this industry or can't because they have to articulate what they do, either writing reports or completing documents. Is we're building bespoke solutions to enable them to actually talk into the device in their normal native language, and then it will basically kind of just articulate that better into a report for them, just to enable them to join an industry where they would normally struggle.
So what kind of information can you access through this? Obviously this is going to be kind of manufacturer guidelines.
Yeah, absolutely anything. So we're in talks with most of the different kind of data sets, so the all datas, all the auto datas, just to try and see if we can access their information simply by voice.
Right.
There's nothing new, you're just asking for it in a different form.
Yes.
So rather than having to search through, gentleman customer over there was saying that their technicians queue up to actually wait to get that technical information from that one workstation.
Right.
This gives you the ability to actually be at the ramp asking for it live.
Yes, perfect. Real time saver.
Absolutely.
Right, thank you very much.
No worries, thank you.
Okay, Steve, you could just explain what you're talking to workshop owners and technicians about today on the Autotech Training stand.
Okay, today we're having inquiries regarding our technical training, mainly EV training for MOT testers and vehicle technicians, as well as body shop staff. ADAS is becoming a topic as well, and air conditioning after the recent weather of the last couple of weeks where the temperatures have gone through the roof. Air conditioning inquiries have really ramped up. All sorts of customers from main dealers, independents, self-employed technicians. People are now seeing the value of investing in themselves and keeping up with technology.
So I understand you have like training centre in Milton Keynes. You can also do it on site, can't you?
We've got a training centre in Milton Keynes. We've got 4 full-time trainers.
Yep.
3 of them, all of them are fully equipped with a car, all the equipment, etc. To turn up and do all of the training courses, as well as a training course at Milton Keynes. So every course we do at Milton Keynes, we can do on customers' premises, subject to having a suitable room for people to sit in, Wi-Fi connection, tools and equipment we bring anyway. So and providing their staff uninterrupted.
Fantastic. Well, have a great show.
Thank you.